2 keys.
Thank you.
Sweet. Like, how do we say it? So I was just like trying to think in my head, like, do it for the birds, do it for the bees. Mushrooms are mushrooms that grow on cigarette butts.
Well, Micah has already set up the whole ballot bin. It's ready to go up. Since it's in such a public place, we maybe should make it more secure so that nobody can steal it.
If you look at the mounting hardware for this thing, you cut these 2 hose clamps and walk off of this thing. So I'm gonna take this back to our shop. We're gonna do what we can to make this thing more secure, and then at a later date we'll come by and install it.
Cool.
Do you want to show us what the sign looks like in the front? Oh yeah, NASA versus SpaceX.
Right, what do you...
We are going to put the bin over here.
Yeah, we were going to put the bin on this side.
Perfect. Hopefully they'll see these and like kind of be like, okay, well, absolution.
So we have Matt. That's actually a good point.
Definitely on that side too.
This is part of the problem we have though, Nick. Folks here are often sitting in the car and crossing and not actually getting out.
Yeah.
It is insane the amount of people.